Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. Number 1 equal to sine s squared plus cosine s squared. So I will put this one go in here. So this one divided by this one, cosine s squared divided by cosine s to the power of 3. So we will have 1 over cosine s to the power of 3 and 1 over sine s squared cosine s. Next, about number 1, we need to change by this one. So this one divided by this one and this one divided by this one. Now, this one we have secant of s to the power of 3. This one we have secant of s. Now we need to find this one first. This one we can put into secant of s and secant of s squared. Later that we need to use about integration by parts. So I will put about u equals to secant of s. Later that we do first the derivative for the both sides. And we have secant of s tan s dv. We have secant of s squared ds. The integration of this one, we have tan s. So we have u multiplied by v minus we have the u multiplied by v. So we have the integration secant of s tan s squared ds. And we know that tan s squared, that is about secant of s squared minus 1. So this one multiplied by this one and negative secant of s with negative number 1. You got about positive secant of s. And we know that this one equals to this one. So I will put this one go to the right. This one plus this one, we have number 2. Later that we divide both sides by number 2. So the integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of secant of s plus tan s, and I will put about c. Now we need to go back in here. So the integration of this one, that is about this one. And secant of s, that is about ln of the absolute value of secant of s plus tan s. Now we need to concentrate about this one. So we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to psi s. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have cosine x ds. This one we change by u, and we have u squared. Cosine x ds we change by du. The integration of this one we have negative 1 over u, and I will put about c. About u, that is about psi s. And this one, that is about this one. This one and this one we have 3 over 2. This is the end. Thank you for watching.